How to use github.com as an online updater for our VPN applications. Well, in this video I will show how to use github.com for our VPN creators or VPN owners. Before we start, if you are interested in our topic of this video, maybe you can press the subscribe button below to support my little channel and to keep us strong. I will build and install the VPN first, because I will show you how to replace our online updater with GitHub raw link. Just watch and follow me in what I